Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a gym, you've heard about nitric oxide boosters. They promise to give you better pumps, more strength, and more endurance. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most popular and affordable options out there, the Nutricost Nitric Oxide Booster. The big question is this a real tool for performance gains or just empty hype? Let's find out. The marketing for this product is pretty straightforward. It claims that by increasing your body's nitric oxide levels, you'll experience improved blood flow. Nitric oxide is vasodilator, which means it helps to relax and widen your blood vessels. This allows for more blood flow to your muscles. Bigger pumps. When more blood flows to your muscles during a workout, they get bigger and feel fuller, which is what we call a pump. Enhanced performance. Better blood flow is supposed to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, helping you lift heavier and last longer. The product's key ingredients are L-arginine and L-citrulline, which are two of the most common compounds used in these types of supplements. When you look at the ingredients, the product seems to follow a well-known formula. First, L-citrulline. This is the most important ingredient. Studies have shown that L-citrulline is much more effective at raising nitric oxide levels in the body than L-arginine. Your body converts L-citrulline to L-arginine more efficiently. The Nutricost product contains a solid dose, which is a big plus. L-arginine. While it is a key part of the formula, it is often poorly absorbed when taken orally. Its inclusion here is standard, but the L-citrulline is doing most of the work. The formula is simple, but it is backed by science. The question is whether it is powerful enough to give you noticeable results. Based on some results, after trying the Nutricost Nitric Oxide Booster for a few weeks, they did notice a difference. The pump in their muscles was definitely more pronounced during their workouts, and they felt a bit more energized, which allowed them to squeeze out a few extra reps. The results are real, but they are not a magical transformation. This product is not a steroid or a powerful pre-workout. It is a subtle tool that can give you a small, visible edge in the gym. So, is the Nutricost Nitric Oxide Booster a real source of performance gains? Or is it just empty hype? The truth is, it is a legitimate product that delivers on its core promise. It is not a scam, and it is not an empty hype. It gives you a small advantage that can help you get more out of your workouts. My final verdict is that it is a great product for the price. If you're looking to get a little bit more out of your workout and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is a great choice.